Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best Clorox Pods is probably one of the most convenient and effective solutions for tackling tough laundry stains and brightening whites, offering a powerful cleaning boost in a pre-measured, easy-to-use form that simplifies your wash day routine and ensures consistent results without the mess of liquid bleach, making it a game-changer for busy households seeking pristine clothes with minimal effort. Number 5. True Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler. Does your washing machine have a lingering odor or visible grime? Over time, residue can build up, affecting its performance and leaving your clothes less than fresh. Introducing True Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Descaler. These powerful tablets are designed for a deep clean, tackling the hidden dirt you can't see. It works to eliminate stubborn odors, residue, and grime from every corner of your machine. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and hello to a truly clean wash. This cleaner targets the drum, pump, valve, and hoses, ensuring a comprehensive clean. It's safe and effective for both the front-load and top-load washers. Simply drop a tablet in for effortless cleaning. Plus, it's completely septic safe, giving you peace of mind with every use. What we like? These tablets offer a powerful deep clean for your washing machine, tackling tough residue and odors. They are specifically designed to decale and deodorize, ensuring your machine runs efficiently and smells fresh. If you are looking for a comprehensive machine cleaner that is also septic safe, this is an excellent choice for regular maintenance. What people say. Number 4. True Fresh Washing Machine Cleaner Tablets. Over time, washing machines can develop unpleasant odors. These can transfer to your clothes, making them less fresh. Introducing an easy solution to this common problem. These powerful tablets are designed to keep your machine sparkling clean and odor-free. They work hard to remove odor-causing residue, limescale, and grime. This ensures a thorough clean for your entire washing system. These tablets deep clean crucial parts like the drum, pump, valve, and hoses. This comprehensive action helps maintain your machine's efficiency. They are safe for all washer types, including front load, top load, and HE models. Plus, you can use them with confidence as they are septic safe. Each pack contains 25 tablets, providing a long-lasting supply for regular maintenance. Keep your washing machine performing its best with ease. What we like? This larger pack provides more cleaning power for extended use, effectively removing odor-causing residue and limescale. It's formulated for all types of washers, ensuring a deep clean for the entire system. If you have multiple machines or prefer to stock up on a versatile cleaner, this option offers great value and broad compatibility. What people say. Number 3. OxiClean White Revive Power Paks. Are your white clothes losing their brightness? It's a common problem, but there's an easy solution to bring them back to life. This powerful formula is specifically designed to whiten your laundry. It helps restore the brilliant white you love, making your clothes look new again. Beyond just whitening, it also tackles stubborn stains effectively. You can trust it to remove dirt and grime, leaving your fabric spotless. Forget messy powders or liquids. These convenient power packs are pre-measured for hassle-free use. Just toss one into your wash. Each package contains 24 individual packs, providing many washes of bright, clean laundry. It's an efficient way to maintain your whites. Its unique oxygen-based formula works with your detergent to boost cleaning. It penetrates deep into fibers, lifting away dullness and dirt. Experience the difference with every wash. Give your whites the care they deserve and enjoy visibly brighter, cleaner clothes. What we like? These power packs are excellent for bringing whites back to life, tackling tough stains and dullness. They combine a whitener and stain remover in one convenient pack, making laundry day easier. If you are looking to restore the brightness of your white garments and remove stubborn spots, this product is perfectly suited for your needs. What people say. The pods provide powerful stain removal for tough laundry messes. Each pod delivers a pre-measured dose of cleaning solution, ensuring consistent results. Number 2. Clorox Zero Splash Bleach Paks. Tired of messy bleach spills? These innovative packs offer a simple solution for your laundry routine. Just toss them in and let them work their magic. Say goodbye to accidental splashes and ruined clothes. Their unique design keeps bleach contained until it's time to clean. Enjoy a cleaner, safer laundry experience. Forget measuring and pouring. Each pack contains the perfect amount of bleach for a powerful clean. It simplifies your laundry day, making it quicker and more efficient. They are designed to deliver brilliant whites and help remove tough stains. Your clothes will look brighter and feel fresher after every wash. Experience the trusted cleaning power you expect. These convenient pods are perfect for everyday use, tackling dirt and grime with ease. They make laundry less of a chore and more of a breeze. Discover the difference they can make. What we like. These innovative pods deliver the power of bleach without the mess or splashes, making them incredibly safe and easy to handle. They provide a pre-measured dose for effective cleaning and whitening, simplifying your laundry routine. If you like the sanitizing power of bleach but want a mess-free and convenient application, this product is an ideal solution. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract points as the source content was empty. Number 1. Clorox 2 for Color Stain Remover and Brightener Paks. Keep your favorite clothes looking their best. This product is designed to maintain the brilliance of your colored garments. Don't let spills ruin your day. It effectively tackles stubborn stains, making them disappear without a trace. Beyond just cleaning, it also brightens colors. Watch as your clothes regain their original vibrancy, wash after wash. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with pre-measured packs. Simply toss one into your wash for powerful results. Each package contains 40 powerful packs. That's plenty of washes to keep your wardrobe looking fresh and new. What we like. These packs are specifically formulated to protect and brighten your colored clothes, while effectively removing stains. They work to keep your vibrant garments looking new, without fading or damage. If you have a lot of colored laundry and want to ensure both stain removal and color preservation, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. The source JSON was empty, so no points could be extracted. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.